Alright guys, so I'm recording the video for physics, right? So this is the 20th of March, right? And so we're going through, I just posted a new assignment for those of you guys who don't have anything that you need to make up. So I put this on Classroom. Okay, so I'm also going to attach the video on Classroom as well. So, so the idea of this one is just to go back and this one's really review work, so it's not really new work yet, but going back and making sure you guys can do each one of these. So there's a short video on here. I think it's about 8 minutes or so. And then in case you need help with the questions, of course you don't really need to watch the video if you already know how to do it, but I've attached a file here in Classroom. So I put the original PDF on here just in case, and then I made a document for each one of you, okay, to go through and answer the questions, right? And so this is going to be due by next Friday, so you guys have quite a bit of time. It honestly probably won't take that long, but just to make sure that you guys can go back and finish some of these basic speed and velocity problems, right? And so you can also see this stuff in Chapter 1 of your textbook, where they start to talk about speed and velocity. And also, that would probably be the best, that's where I would send you. Okay, so if you don't need any help, then you could just answer these questions at any time. So when you're done, just go ahead and hit turn in, so that way I know you're done. Right, so as always, you guys can go back and fix any of your missing work, right? And so that's all here, right? So right, each one of these is a PDF file. Okay, and so these were all assignments we've done prior to this. And so I won't be able to make it back to Readly for a while, because now that we're all on lockdown, right? So, right, so each one of these, the way that I'm having you guys do these is by using DockHub. Okay, and so let me show you real quick how to install DockHub. So somewhere along the line I kind of missed out on that, but right, so like for me, when I go here, it says to open with, right? So like this one, if you were to open this with documents, it will make a mess. Right, so what you can do is you can go here, you can go to connect more apps. Okay, and so these different applications, so this is for a PDF file editor, right? We don't just want a viewer, we want it so you guys can change things. Okay, and so on here, so notice how mine says DockHub, right? And it says that it's on there. So now if, say, when you get here, it might say this, to connect. So you just hit the connect button there. And then what it'll do is it'll be, so now it says that this is now connected. Okay, so that was Comet Docs PDF editor. Okay, so when I go in here now, Comet, right, these guys, and so now it has this little warning sign. That just means that you have to go in, you have to log in with Google. Okay, and so, and with DockHub, it's going to have you do that as well. So, right, and so I'll show you later how to get rid of all this stuff. So I have quite a few on here because I use more than one, but right, so hopefully that was helpful. Right, so I'm putting this video also in Classroom, so that way you guys can see it. And some of you guys will probably find, if you haven't talked to your third period teacher yet, make sure that if you don't have access to internet at home, right, you guys can get a Chromebook, so just make sure you talk to your third period teacher. They're actually making arrangements to deliver those to you, since you guys really aren't supposed to leave the houses. So, right, so hopefully that is helpful. Right, so you guys can always text me on Remind. Okay, my Remind is Dressel P for physics. Okay, and so, right, so hopefully, and I'm answering emails all the time. So, right, when you guys go on here and you finish your new assignments, you just go to turn in, and then it'll show up on here for me. Okay, thanks for watching.